Itong sa OKP na mga booths po dito. Some of them we have brought from Bicol to here as our way of supporting the MSMEs of Bicol. Magtataka tayo hanggang dyan lang ba? Kung may magugustuhan po kayo na product at may negosyo kayong gustong bilhin, may mga products na gustong bilhin ng negosyo nyo para maging reseller kayo or para may mga produkto na palagi nyo nakikita dito, we can help also with that because we are nationwide and we can bring products across the Philippines, across the different islands. So may I introduce po to you the best of Bicol delivered at your doorsteps. Ang experience kasi na nakita namin when we went to Bicol, for example, yung mga MSMEs po doon, after nila na-create yung product, minsan dinadala dito sa Manila, minsan pinapasabay sa bus or pinapadala ng kamag-anak. At pagdating sa hub o man, magkukontak na naman sila ng iba para maihahatid talaga kung saan papunta yun. And that actually adds to the cost and na-affect din po yung quality ng products. Kasi pag, kung na-notice po natin yan, if we bring something to another place, yung biyahe mismo may nagagawa dun sa produkto. Kasi lalo na yung mga daan natin, hindi naman siya smooth lahat. So, yung pag may dinadala sa sasakyan po, kahit na private pag palaging nakaganon, hindi nasisira yung quality. So, it's very important na makip yung quality, tapos pati yung cost ay mananatili siyang mababa para ma-enjoy po ng lahat. So, that's what we're trying to do with Bicol. So you will see booths here in OKP, food products in bottles or pouches. May mga clothing, may mga magandang tela, mga woven na mga blouses, galing Kamsur, coming from the different provinces of Bicol, and may mga home decor and furniture din. That's what you will see in the booths here. Nabisita nyo na po ba yung mga booths sa Bicol? Di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. These are world-class products po kasi some of them are even exported. Kaya lang, kung napapansin nyo, and yun yung unang napapansin natin, bakit yung mga magagandang produkto ng Pilipinas ay minsan foreigners pa ang unang nakaka-appreciate. Minsan, kasi ang mahal-mahal po, alam niyo po, sa logistics po sa buong Asia, Philippines ang pinakamahal. 27% of the MSME's revenue goes to logistics. Tayo po yung pinakamahal. Kasi ang Pilipinas po archipelago So pagtatawid ng mga isla, ang hirap po. Kaya ang nangyayari sa atin ngayon, pag pumunta ka sa ibang lugar, dyan mo lang mabibili. Pero kung kunyari nasa Cagayan de Oro ka, gusto mong bumili ng mga basket ng Bicol or mga abaka woven materials, maghahanap ka kung sinong pupunta doon. So that's what we're trying to do, and this is a big undertaking that we are supporting the Department of Trade and Industry. Kasi the vision really is that lalawak sana yung market ng ating MSMEs. Na sana kahit saan ka sa Pilipinas, pwede kang bumili ng produkto galing Bicol. Kung nasa Ilocos ka, pwede kang bumili ng pagkain or prutas galing Davao. Those kinds of things. That's not possible in a convenient and a cost-effective way yet now, but we will get there. So, ito yung pwede nating magawa ko. So, what we are asking talaga, what the vision of DTI, the government, and that's what we're really supporting, that we really support our local industries. So, yung mga MSMEs po, backbone po yan ng ating ekonomiya. So, if we support their products, we can boost the livelihood of our communities. We preserve tradition and heritage. And very importantly, sana we expand the markets. Kasi limit po ng ating mga MSMEs, kaya lang limited yung bumibili sa kanila, dun lang sa mga nakakapunta ng lugar nila. So, we hope to connect, as part of the logistics sector, we hope that we can help connect all of these islands by our trips. So, we handle the logistics, so you can enjoy the best of Bicol, because we will handle the logistics from Bicol to your doorsteps in Metro Manila. So kung may magugustuhan po kayo ng mga produkto dito, kasi ang Bicol po, 14 hours by truck yan. So medyo hindi natin pwedeng mapuntahan yan every time gusto natin bumili. So kung may magugustuhan po kayo na gusto nyo maging reseller dito sa Manila for these products, pwede nyo po pag-usapan yan kasi meron po kaming twice a week trips from Bicol to Manila, and we can bring it to your doorsteps. So, hindi na kasing hirap nung dati na parang dami mo pang tawagan, pati yung pinsan mo na hindi mo na sana kinakausap, pwede kunin mo yung produkto na gusto ko padala sa lugar na to. So, you can do that. So, pwedeng mag-usap kayo ng mga producers natin ngayon, MSMEs, and you can talk business because we can definitely support you with the logistics part. So we have 3 outlets in Bicol. So we have an outlet in Legazpi, in Naga, and in Sorsogon. So kung nanggaling sa Bicol yung gusto niyong pagbilhan, yung gusto niyong bibili na product, i-drop lang po nila to these outlets. And pagdating po sa rates, it's very affordable. So we really wanted, kasi may parang ang sikreto po dyan, we can bring it in a more efficient way. Kasi ang fast po, we bring FMCG products. We are one of the biggest in terms of FMCG na dinadala to different places in the country. So, marami kaming truck na 10-wheelers, putang Bicol. Ang ginagawa namin, we will impact the Bicol through these trucks. So, that's why we're able to give very good rates. So, ito yung rates. Kung pinapasok nila sa reseller yung rates, it's also affordable. And ito po yung namin, commitment to DTI. Because the vision also of DTI is that sana daw yung MSMEs will experience professional logistics. Karamihan po ng mga customers ng FAST po ay multinationals. Yung mga brands that you see in the supermarkets na mga multinationals na malalaki, yun po yung mga customers namin. So, in terms of world-class standards, we're very proud po na FAST as a Filipino company is able to satisfy the standards, the world-class standards of the biggest multinationals in the country for more than 50 years. Kasi 50 years na kami po in logistics. And since we started from Cebu, alam namin po the power that can come from the different regions and the different provinces. So there are so many products that if we just connect them, sana the MSMEs will also experience what it is to have professional logistics. So ito po yung fixed delivery schedule. So how do we make MSME products available to Metro Manila? Meron pong umiikot. On a daily basis, we have more than 1,000 trucks traversing the country. So, hindi magandang yun na isasabay na natin, i-co-load na natin yung mga products ng MSMEs into these routes. So, as a leader, and we're mostly in FMCG, we are extending this to the MSMEs. First, Bicol, and then we are also in Region 2, yung sa mga Nueva Vizcaya areas, because we're also trying to support the farmers. Yung papadala mo ng mga vegetables dito sa papuntang Manila. So we are really making sure that the products that you like from Bicol will reach your doorstep at the quality where they have been made and at a cost that makes sense to your business. So, ito po yung these are the brands that have entrusted their supply chain with us sa Fastpo. And for many of these brands, papuntang example is Bicol, papuntang Bicol, may dala kaming ganitong brands. So, may load talaga tayo na pwedeng isabay yung mga products na galing Bicol papuntang Manila. So, this is our commitment to help connect the Philippines via more efficient logistics. So with that, we are hoping to expand the reach of the MSMEs nationwide. At the same time, make it affordable for the buyers in Manila or wherever, so that we can appreciate all the very, ang galing po ng quality ng mga produkto po ng MSMEs. They have poured out all their competence, all their skills, and all their passion into their products. And it is just fitting that we bring it with the best logistics so that it will get to your doorsteps at the best quality and at the cost that will make sense for any businessman. So we're very happy to be partnering with the DTI and the MSMEs of Bicol for this, and sana po masuportahan natin yung ating mga produktong gawa sa iba't ibang panig po ng Pilipinas. And we hope for that the day will come na kahit nasaan po kayo kahit nasa Mindanao or nasa dulo kayo ng Luzon, ay pwede tayong maka-order ng produkto kahit saan pa sa Pilipinas. That day has not yet arrived, but with all the support of the MSMEs, our government agencies, especially DTI, and logistics providers like Fastpo, we hope to connect all the islands so that we will enjoy the best of Bicol products, the best of Ilocos products, the best of Mindanao products, the best of Visayas products. So sana ma-enjoy po natin lahat ang mga produkto all over the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.